pretty sure some of you that are currently wholesaling have noticed that there has been a complete shift in the market. Some people really aren't paying attention. They don't realize that the market is sliding slowly. Not predicting a 2008, 2007 sell-off. Definitely sellers are taking a hit, seeing stuff staying on the market longer. You know, there's properties on there that are sitting 30, 60, 70 days, 90 days, which 3-4 months ago was kind of unheard of. But regardless, there are still deals being made out here. Right now, what we are basically doing is revisiting all of our not interested sellers for the past 2 years. We're also revisiting all of our declined offers for the past 2 years to see if maybe we can make some of these numbers work, or to see if motivation has increased in some of these people. Whether they have an underlying reason to sell, such as tax delinquency, foreclosure, any of that stuff is unknown. Also getting a little bit more strategic with who we hit, and also trying out some new tools. I might have a call tools video coming up. In case you're not familiar with call tools, you can make about 170 phone calls in 10 minutes. Might even have a cold call video coming soon using it. It takes me about 180 phone calls an hour to reach people, and that's about as fast as we can go. So the fact that we're doing 180 every 10 minutes is pretty cool. It's actually the fastest I've ever heard of anybody dialing. So right now you're wondering, where are you going? Well, on a way to do two things. Finally gonna list my rental up for rent. Hopefully by the time you guys watch this video, it'll be rented. And we're gonna go check out a house in Lexington, North Carolina that we just picked up under contract. See if we can move this thing. At the price point, I'm pretty sure it'll work. It's a vacant house, tax delinquent, it's beat up like crazy. One of my favorites. And we got it for a whole $10,000. See what this place looks like. I love it. This is this is a beast right here, man. A lot of stuff. This is completely messed up in here. Definitely is a full gut. Might even be a teardown. I don't know. I haven't seen any foundation issues yet, but holy crap, almost fell. But yeah, not bad though for 10 G's. I know that I could probably sell this thing for about 20-30 thousand. Maybe might be more towards the 20,000 range, because yeah, this place, it needs everything. Roof is gone, windows, floors. This place looks like, oh look, I got some foundation issues. I'm over here like rocking on top of stuff, but you can see that wall right there is kind of like dipping down in the middle of the house. And I know that nothing in here has been updated probably in, who knows, 100 years. If that. I think this house was built like 1910, 1920-ish. But not bad. I'm actually pretty satisfied. I thought it was going to be worse than this. I've seen worse than this. It's actually a good thing that some of these windows are broken. Give you a little shot there of these windows. There's actually a bullet hole in one of them there. And somebody, the lady next door said that there's people that are constantly living here, in and out of here, that are homeless. And look at this. This is actually pretty cool. Got some old pictures there. Let me see what it reads. If I don't fall on the floor here. But that is dated May 1935. And I'm guessing it looks like there probably was a mill right across the street here, and somebody probably worked at that mill that lived in this house. So it looks like all the mill workers are lined up there, and 1935, that's a long time ago. I wasn't even thought about. I don't even think my grandpa was thought about. Seeing stuff like this, don't let this scare you, especially if you're a new investor or thinking about becoming an investor. These type of houses are the houses that make the most money, because of forced appreciation. Now, if you go out and you're gonna spend, I don't know, probably gonna spend about $65,000 renovating this house. You bought it at 20, you're all in at about 80, and you could sell it for 175,000. It's a great profit. Why not? I mean, even in a market like this where, you know, it's kind of scary to be investing, it's still not bad. Oh man, I get scared whenever anything touches my head. But yeah, it's not a bad idea, because remember that even though this market is crazy right now, I mean, you can still make really good money. You just got to buy it smart. That's all it comes down to. If you're out here buying stuff full retail, you're not gonna make any money. But if you're strategically buying things and you have a plan, you can definitely plan to succeed. Now, unfortunately, this is like one of the only times that you'll find me not being strapped, but forgot my gun at home. And I know what you're thinking. You're like, man, Dan, why would you be in the hood and you ain't got your piece with you? Trust me, I was in a rush. I had so many things going on today that I just forgot it. Had to pay a bunch of people. Gonna go over to my $500 trailer and go take some pictures of it, because we're gonna put it for rent. I'm actually really excited because I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. It just got cleaned yesterday, so I'm hoping that this thing looks absolutely amazing. So let's get out of here and let's head over there, see what this place looks like. So really happy the way this place turned out. It is completely clean, looking fantastic, ready to be rented, and I'm excited, man. I am super excited. Super great cleaning job done by Grime Stoppers. I don't know any of their social media information, but they did a great job. This place is squeaky clean. I mean, the cabinets, they were looking like trash. Now they look like cash. I know that was such a corny joke, but it came out really good. I'm actually really happy the way everything turned out here. It was way better than I expected. It's been a long time coming, that's for sure. Even though this wasn't a full renovation project, it was definitely my first project to where I actually paid somebody else to do the work and not myself. But even this tub, man, it looks fantastic. Compared to what it looked like, it was gross. I would probably have never have thought that it was gonna turn out that well. But it did. It turned out fantastic. This place is gonna be on the market, available. By the time you guys see this, I'm hoping that it'll be rented out, because that would be great for me. It really would. Total on this project. So remember, I bought this house for $500. And that was $500. I took possession of the deed. All right, so this house was mine for $500. I paid the back taxes after we did a title search and whatnot. Paid the back taxes. It was a total of $12,000. So now we're in on this property with purchase for $12,500. This property will now appraise for about $165,000. I put into this place, this is floors, HVAC, cleaning it up, getting all the paint, the drywall, and everything done. It took about $35,000. So all in, I'm at about $47,000, let's call it 50. So $50,000, now this thing is gonna rent for $1,500 a month, which is good. That's really good. It's more than what I expected. I actually only expected maybe $1,200, $1,300, which I would still be satisfied with $1,200, $1,300. The best part is the return on my investment is about, I think, 3 years. At $18,000 a year renting this place at about $1,500 a month. I mean, that's a pretty good return. Taxes are cheap here. I think it's like $500 to $1,000 bucks. And then insurance is not that much either. I can't remember what we pay in insurance, but I know it's under $1,000 a year. So $2,000 a year in taxes and insurance. Everything is pretty much brand new water heater, brand new HVAC, plumbing and electrical are up to date. So there was nothing that needed to be done there. And that's it, guys, that's it. I'm happy, I'm very happy. Now, hopefully this thing will rent, and hopefully I can give you an update on the process on that. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and catch you guys on another vlog.